Best Lethal Company mods and how to install. Best Lethal Company mods. Game manipulations. Game Master, host commands for control, shop prices, enemy spawns, player equipment adjustments, cheats, and private match customization. Brutal Company Plus, hardcore mod with increased creature frequency, danger, and customizable challenges. Late Company, join matches in progress, providing flexibility during ongoing rounds. Bigger Lobby, extends player count to 40 for larger cooperative and competitive games. More Company, boosts lobby limit to 32, introduces new accessory items, and enhances group sizes. Quality of life, item quick switch, hotkeys for rapid tool/weapon swapping. Flashlight toggle, separate toggle for flashlight use. Walkie use, radio communication without equipping it. Ship loot, calculates haul value without needing to stack items. Minimap, radar showing teammates, enemies, loot waypoints, and more. How to install Lethal Company mods. Use Thunderstorm Mods Manager for streamlined installations. Steps: download/install Thunderstorm app. Select Lethal Company and Get Mods. Search for desired mods. Select mod download with dependencies. Enable downloaded mods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.